One of the things I see with women is not knowing how much protein they need to add into their food, but not only that, how to make it less complicated. So I'm going to make a really lovely omelette that is full of protein, it's full of good fats, it's got your lovely leafy greens, and it's an absolutely perfect have-at-home food or on the go. So we start nice and easy, cutting up our broccoli. And really important, don't worry so much about what it looks like. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to make sure that you're hitting all those amazing nutrients that we need to manage this life stage and help with those symptoms. So in the pan, we've got some olive oil. We're gonna pop in our roughly chopped broccoli spears and just let them sit there and cook. So you've got your broccoli in your pan. I'm gonna grab an extra bowl, and I've got here some pre-cut tofu. I'm gonna pop that into this other bowl. And then again, just really roughly, don't worry so much about the measurements, don't make life complicated, it is complicated enough. A little sprinkle of olive oil, grabbing a little bit of soy, and just popping that over the tofu, and just leaving it there for around about 3 to 4 minutes. So our tofu is marinating, we're gonna add in our mushrooms. There we go. And again, just give them a little mix up and allow them to cook for around about 2 to 3 minutes. So from there, when they're looking nicely sauteed, I'm going to add the tofu and popping that into the pan, and the marinade as well. So you've got those lovely flavors with the soy coming through at the end. Now, tofu is your big source of protein here, obviously alongside the eggs. And protein is so essential for building muscle, for balancing your hormones, and for keeping you fuller for longer. So tofu is a really good vegetarian option, but if you want, and you wanted to add meat, you could substitute the tofu with some chicken or any other meat alternative. Then we're going to add our tomatoes, a great antioxidant, so important at this life stage, in fact at any life stage. We'll just add a few of those in, and again, we're going to give that a nice stir and get that all mixed up so that they get all the flavors together. They've got that soy, they get the lovely earthy kind of flavor from the mushrooms, and those colors are just amazing. And for that real extra boost, we're going to add those eggs. Okay, give them a good whisk together. And if you want to, you could add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, but I feel that the salty flavor comes through from the soy that is already in the omelette, and we want to try and avoid adding too many things to our food. Okay, so we're going to add those whisked up eggs into all of those lovely vegetables, that tofu, and just give it a little stir so that everything is covered. And then just to make sure we're adding those lovely leafy greens, I'm going to grab a little bit of spinach. Again, those antioxidants, really important, and just pop those on top. And just leave those eggs to harden around the tofu, the mushrooms, the tomatoes, the broccoli, and the spinach. So I've got a little bit of oil on my plate, and I'm going to flip the omelette so that we can cook it on the other side. So pop that plate on, making sure it's nice and tight, holding it down, flipping that omelette over. There we go, out it comes. And then from there, we're gonna slide it back into the pan and cook the other side. So once we've allowed the omelette to cook for around about 30 seconds, we're gonna flip it back onto the plate. So same way, but nice and tight, flipping that over. And just, again, for that little bit of pimping up, that little bit of extra, grab some seeds. We've got pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, we've got sesame seeds. And the wonderful thing about this is this could be 2 or 3 meals. Enjoy.